Hello guys, welcome in Unified IT Solution. In last video we discussed what is DB Connect and what are the use case of the DB Connect. Today we are going to discuss how to download the DB Connect add-on and how to install the DB Connect into the Splunk. So let's start. So first go, first go to the Google and just type DB Connect. So I'll show you Splunk DB Connect, and then you will get the first link itself. Once you click on it, so it will take you this Splunk base, and this is the ID of this DB Connect add-on. First you will have to log in this. If you don't have the login credential, you can create on the Splunk. It's free, and I have also created a video on this, how to create and download the apps from this Splunk base. Now I'll just click on it and let's log in. It will take few seconds to load in. Yeah, now you can click on download, but before downloading you should check what is your version of your system, like what is your version of your Splunk, so you can log into the UI of your where you want to install. So basically Splunk DB Connect should be installed either on a dedicatedly server or either on HF. So I'll just go to the activity, I'll go to the help, then click on about, and you'll see the version of your Splunk Enterprise, so 9.3.1. so we'll now download the only compatible version. So if you scroll down and you will see the version history, so since we are using the latest Splunk and the latest version of DB Connect 3.8, so here it is showing the compatibility, so it is compatible with 9.3, so it will only show the major version. So major version of Splunk we have 9.3. Now I just click on the download, just click on these two checkbox. You can see it's start downloading, and what is the size? It's approximately 73 of MB, and it's TGT form. It will take few more seconds. Yeah, it's done. So now you will have, I'll go back to the Splunk, and this is my local instance. I will go to the manage app. It will take you the app page. From browse more apps, you if your server is internet facing, you don't have to download, you can browse more apps and you can do it. But most of the time we'll have to download it, and then we have to install. So I just click on the install app from file, choose file, so whatever we downloaded now, so this is DB Connect we have downloaded. I just click on choose and upload it. If you have already installed, you can click on the upgrade app, but since this is the first time installation, I don't click on it, and I'll just click upload. So it will take 2 to 3 minutes to upload your app or install your app into your instance. So now you can see it's taking some time, and this is scrolling. So now it is asking you must restart Splunk Enterprise to complete the update. If yeah, so I would recommend you take the restart since you have installed the new app, and app configuration to take reflect everything, so you should take the restart, but I don't take the restart for this video. So I'll just show you how it look like. Once this is installed, it will be come under your Splunk DB Connect app, but you guys should take the restart if you are not doing it for your testing. Maybe if you are doing testing as well, you take the restart, but it will take some time, so I just don't do it now. Click on maybe later. So this is how it will look like, and welcome to Splunk DB Connect, the message will come, and you can skip the setup. We'll do the setup maybe later in next video. So I will explain what is data lab configuration and how you will do the configuration and what are the main configuration you will have to complete in the next video. So this is how you can install the Splunk DB Connect. Thank you guys, and we cover in this video how to download, how to install the TV Connect. Kindly subscribe our channel, like our video, and let us know if you want to create any topic and any video on any topic. Thank you.